So this beauty right here needs some new soil, or some more soil, because there's so much space here. So let me take this out. Look at all these new ones, all these babies growing around. And then these are so delicate. This plant is so delicate. Guys, if you hear some water in the background, I'm filtering water. So that's what you're hearing in the background. We have some in there. Now, it's a little bit higher up, and then we can add more soil around the sides. Okay. So you see there's a lot of space here on the sides, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I will show you guys the end result when I get back. Okay, you guys, I don't know why this is so hard to focus. I think it's like the brightness and then put together with this plant, which is so green and bright. But look at this. Now it's all filled up on the sides. I've been meaning to do this for a while. It's just that so many things going on. But yeah, I think it's the sun. Wait a minute. It's the sun and the brightness of this. Can you guys see? It's still a little blurry. Ugh. I really do need to take like a video camera, like lessons or something like that. But you guys, look at this. Look at all those babies. So yeah, I will. There you go. Look at that. Wee. Okay. And it's so many babies around the sides, but there are so many bigger ones in the middle, like right there. I'm just noticing that actually. And they're growing. Alright, you guys, so I will talk to you in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and yeah, support your girl. Bye.